So today I wanted to record this instant Pav Bhaji. It's by Vegit, and I wanted to try it. So let's see. It has a very basic process. All you need to do, it says here all you need to do is just add some butter, heat up some butter, and add a little tomato puree, and you add this instant mix into the puree, and then you're done. You garnish the pav bhaji and eat it with bread or pav. So let's try it. So I'm adding a bit of butter. About a spoonful seems okay. So I'll heat up the butter. I'll let it cook for a while. Now I'll empty this. This is like a 100-gram packet. So it looks like this. So I'm letting it cook. So this is what it looks like. It is very powdery, dry. It smells like pav bhaji. So now I'm going to add this and a little bit of water as per the instructions. I added about a glass full of water to this. I think I'll add more. So I've added about 2 glassful of water, and let's see. The texture looks the same, but I don't know how it will taste. Right away the quantity is awesome. The quantity is as you can see, this is like a 1 liter milk vessel, and as you can see it is almost half or more than that. So the quantity is good for the price. So I'm adding a little more water to this. I'm adding a little bit of butter to this. So I think this is enough for 2 people. The texture looks amazing right now. So the salt is okay too. I tasted this. It's a little spicy, which is not a problem because pav bhaji is supposed to be spicy. So I'll let it cook some more, or it looks okay to me, but I'll let it cook some more. So the bhaji is ready. My pav is ready. And maybe I added a little extra water to this because the consistency is watery, because I added more water, I think. Okay, let me taste this. So here is the pav bhaji. So I'm going to taste this right away. Otherwise, pav bhaji is a long process. So if you can make it this instantly, if you're just craving for pav bhaji and you don't have time to make it, and I think it's awesome that you can make it at such a decent price. I give it a thumbs up.